product favored by forestry experts for its ability to grip trees firmly, cut through trunks with a high-powered saw, and efficiently stack logs is nothing short of mesmerizing. The Scorpion King operates using an articulated arm with a wide range of motion, allowing it to cut trees from nearly any angle. Once the tree is secured, the saw effortlessly slices through the wood, powered by its robust hydraulic system. A product favored by forestry experts for its ability to grip trees firmly, cut through trunks with a high-powered saw, and efficiently stack logs is nothing short of mesmerizing. The Scorpion King operates using an articulated arm with a wide range of motion, allowing it to cut trees from nearly any angle. Once the tree is secured, the saw effortlessly slices through the wood, powered by its robust hydraulic system. After a tree is felled, the stump needs to be dealt with, and this is where stump removal machines come into play. These machines can clear large areas of stumps in a short amount of time, turning what would otherwise be a labor-intensive task into a quick and efficient process. Watching men handle massive trees with chainsaws is truly impressive. This classic tree cutting method is still widely used in areas where heavy machinery cannot operate. Sometimes, it's not just about cutting down a giant tree but managing multiple smaller trees at once. Machines designed for mass tree cutting are incredibly efficient, capable of felling several smaller trees simultaneously. These machines can grip, cut, and remove entire clusters of small trees in just a matter of seconds. The operation of these machines is both methodical and relentless. They accomplish in minutes what would otherwise take hours. Machines like the Nava S23 tree cutter are a perfect example of this efficiency. They can grip small trees, slice through them, and neatly stack them for transport. This approach provides an effective and streamlined way to clear land quickly while minimizing effort and time. Machines like the Dipper Fox stump grinder take on the tedious task of stump removal and turn it into an incredibly efficient process. It uses a rotating disc equipped with hardened steel teeth to grind the stump into fine wood chips, effectively erasing all traces of the tree. The Dipper Fox's F can handle multiple stumps in just a few minutes, making it ideal for large-scale projects like land clearing for construction or agriculture. What's particularly appealing about this machine is its ability to operate in harsh conditions, whether it's rocky terrain or uneven ground, performing powerfully with ease. Stump grinding is a common solution, but sometimes you need to remove the entire root system from the ground. This is where stump pullers come into play. These machines use hydraulic or mechanical force to grip the stump and then apply immense pulling pressure to lift it out of the ground. One of the most common designs features a claw-like arm that grips the stump. Once the arm is secured, The machine applies pulling force to remove the stump and all its roots from the ground. This is a method of complete stump removal, ensuring that no regrowth occurs. Unlike stump grinding where some root remnants may remain, there are various types of stump products, each suited to different environments. In some cases, especially for large stumps in soft soil, stump pullers mounted on excavators are used. These large attachments, fixed to the arm of the excavator, give the machine the power to remove even the toughest stump from the ground. Machine quickly becoming indispensable for forestry operation, land reclamation, and landscaping. Wood chippers come in various sizes, ranging from small, portable models to industrial-sized machines capable of processing entire trees. Great like you guys watch and subscribe to the channel to see more impressive scenes. We always bring the most impressive scenes to serve YouTube audience. He is, and if you think this is the only machine of its kind, think again. Machines like the John Deere 1270G harvester and the Tigercat 870C also deliver similar performance levels. Each boasts a combination of speed and power control that allows them to dominate the logging industry. These machines are built for heavy-duty work, capable of felling large trees in just seconds. Groenofeld Lumberjack LJ 450 Bowman. He is, and if you think this is the only machine of its kind, think again. Machines like the John Deere 1270G harvester and the Tigercat 870C also deliver similar performance levels. Each boasts a combination of speed and power control that allows them to dominate the logging industry. These machines are built for heavy-duty work, capable of felling large trees in just seconds. Groenofeld Lumberjack LJ 450 Bowman. Deep within the silent forest, the stillness is suddenly shattered by the roar of a chainsaw in the hands of a worker. A handheld saw transforms into a powerful weapon, tearing through the tough bark of a massive tree. Each cut is a small explosion of force, sending branches and leaves trembling. In the skilled hands of the worker, the chainsaw resembles a ferocious beast, powered by a robust engine spinning at 7,000 RPM. Biting deeply into the tree trunk, the towering giant falls, paving the way for a flawless combination, the perfect harmony between human ingenuity and machine power. You might be surprised to learn that a specialized wood-cutting machine in Switzerland can effortlessly handle large-diameter logs. Powered by a robust 400 horsepower engine, this machine not only slices through massive trees but also produces neatly cut logs within seconds. Optimized for major retailers, this $150 marvel is a groundbreaking innovation in the wood processing industry, delivering unmatched efficiency and time savings. For those in the door manufacturing industry, a CNC router is an indispensable tool, enabling the creation of flawless, precise products while saving significant time. Have you tried it yet? As the tree falls, both workers let out a loud cheer, as if sharing the joy of victory with the entire forest. The Forest Lumber Pro is running at full capacity in Michigan, where massive red oak trunks are fed into production lines with the help of modern sawmills. The trunks are swiftly cut into thick planks, which then pass through various planning stages, resulting in smooth, polished surfaces that deliver perfect wood products for the market. Powering the massive 25-ton machine with a 500 horsepower engine. It resembles a steel beast crushing everything in its path. The engine's roar echoes throughout the workshop, while sparks fly everywhere, painting a vivid picture of raw power and strength. With the capability to process up to 100 tons of material per hour, the Diamond 2000 is truly a technological marvel that leaves everyone in awe. At the West Sound Sawmill, the power of machinery is displayed in an impressive fashion. Massive logs, stretching up to 12 meters in length, are fed into cutting lines with millimeter-level precision. The main saw, equipped with razor-sharp steel blades spinning at 1.50 RPM, slices the wood into perfectly straight planks with remarkable efficiency.
Grapple skidder today.
The roar of the John Deere 4.500 engine pierces through the silence of the forest. This green beast works tirelessly, hauling logs weighing up to 2 tons and swaying in the wind with its overwhelming strength. The tractor effortlessly uproots trees with diameters of up to 1.5 meters, loading them onto a 10-ton trailer. Each time the trailer rolls forward, it leaves behind a trail of churned earth and neatly aligned logs, ready to be transformed into finished products. The TARV 690 OP is a relentless contender battling through mud and massive logs with its powerful 6-cylinder engine and reliable transmission. This vehicle effortlessly navigates snow-covered roads and deep mud up to 50 centimeters. Thanks to its large wheels and differential lock system, the TARV 690 OP securely pulls heavy logs weighing several tons. With the engine's roar filling the air, each revolution a testament to its resilience against the toughest challenges.
På det slamar så.